Hola, it's Gabby here, and today I'm going to make my first slider card. I just get this die cut, and I'm going to use black cardstock from Simon Says stamps, and I'm going to cut two pieces of each one, except for the piece that going inside the slider. That I'm going to cut just one. That's the white piece that you will see here. And then I'm going to add white splashes in all the pieces and start decorating. For the scene that I'm going to form in my slider card, I'm going to cut in zigzag, and I'm going to make like this is grass, and I'm going to unite these three pieces that is the same pieces from the slider mechanism, the panels. I'm going to cut one from the one that are going inside and one from the one that is outside, that is full, and I'm going to put one on top of the other one. I'm going to cut them together because I want the graphs to have the same length in each panel. As you see, I already colored and cut all these monsters. They are from Avery Ellie stamps, and I already colored them and everything because I did this not in the video because I don't want the video to be so long. But it's like simple coloring, nothing difficult. Plus, I am not an expert on copy markers, but I did the best I can. As you see here, I didn't glue the top of the grass, just the sides and the bottom to insert the monsters inside the grass, well, some of them. And I'm just going to start gluing the monsters, the candies, pumpkins, to decorate the panels. The panel that I finished decorating is the panel that are going to be in the front of the card. It's the panel that it falls. They have the fall, but it's the panel that you're going to always look when the card is closed. This one is the panel that is going to be inside the slider card. And I'm going to just stamp in my sentiment that is going to stay one side happy and the one Halloween. I did it with Versamark, and I sprinkled with white embossing powder. I did this before decorating the panels. As you see here, I continue decorating the panels, and I glue my monsters, one looking to the left and one looking to the right. It's because I want those panels to be looking to the panel that is in the middle. When I'm finished gluing everything, I'm going to start adding details with my white gel pen, just here and there. After that, I'm going to figure it out where I want my panels, when I need my panels to go for the car open properly. Now I'm going to add my double-sided stick tape, 1/8 of an inch is this tape, and I'm going to add it to the two panels that fold, they have the fold, and the panel that is inside the slider. In this panel, I'm going to add it to the two sizes, 4 corners, like, yes. You're going to add the tape like that, both sides, the 4 corners of the car. This piece is going to help us to slide the car properly. It's for that this piece is very important. As you see, I'm adding plastic that is in measure 2¼ inch. And I'm going to glue one side and I'm going to drop the other side easily because it has to be loose. And I'm going to add tape in the left corner of the car. I'm going to flip my car and I'm going to add tape to the right side. And remember, when you glue in your panels, the panels that you glue to the left tape is going to slide to the right, and the panel you glue to the right tape is going to slide to the left. And you have to glue the panel that is to the right, you have to glue the front part of the panel. I mean, you don't have to see all your decoration. I want to say your panel. You don't have to see your images. Then you have to locate your images in the front of the car and insert your car panel. Everything has to look to the front. And then you remove your protection of the double-sided stick tape and you glue your panel down. Then you close your envelope for saying your slider. Is very easy. After this, it's very easy. You just center everything and remove your protection of the tape and close everything. Now I'm just going to glue the pull thing in each corner. As you see here, it's like very good. Now I'm going to make a panel to insert inside the car because it's made with black cardstock. I just grab a piece of post-it tape, put it in the middle, measuring my sentiment, and I'm going to splash black spots. And now I'm going to add my sentiment. After that, I'm going to glue another monster, and I'm going to glue candies all around the sentiment. Okay, when I finish decorating the panel that are going inside, I just going to glue it inside of the car, and I'm going to glue a butter paper outside of the car, and then I'm going to grab double-side foam tape. This is very thin but very sticky foam tape, and I'm just going to glue this to the slider car and glue it to the car base. And that will be it my car for today. Well, thank you for watching my videos on next car. Goodbye.